Genie Software. Genie Software, the world's first 4-in-1 multi-channel traffic app, includes SMS, email, social and messenger in one click. One-click Genie Leverage Traffic in 60 seconds. 4-in-1 multi-channel traffic app is goldmine. Passive online profits using this new software. Want to instantly tap into Genie to leverage 4-in-1 multi-channel traffic app? This latest from Billy Darr shows you exactly how. Once you see the potential with this, you'll want to scale this even more. Grab this for $17, but act fast because price increases with each sale. Genie Software Upgrade offers OTOs. Front-end Genie, $17. First of its kind 4-in-1 multi-channel traffic app. The software, in short, gives your customers all the tools needed to leverage SMS, email, social media and messenger for attention and clicks. Upsell 1. Genie Unlimited Edition, $39. The Unlimited Edition of Genie has multi-channel traffic, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales. It also comes with additional tutorials. Upsell 2. Genie Automation Edition, $39. The Automation Edition of Genie lets your customers unlock the additional traffic features for even more free viral traffic. Upsell 3. Genie Done For You Edition, $197. In this upgrade, our team aims to deliver done-for-you traffic and sales for your customers. Upsell 4. Genie Reseller Edition, $39. The Reseller Edition gives your customers the rights to sell the products throughout the funnel and keep 100% of the profits. As you know, our funnel contains professional high-grade sales copy, well-engineered killer animated VSLs throughout, and no expenses spared. They basically get their hands on the same funnel that would cost them $3,000 to build, but they can get it for just $39. Upsell 5. Genie Luxury Edition, $197. Your customers experience a very individual custom funnel setup experience. Now we actually set up a funnel for your customers on their hosting with their accounts so they can build a list and make money. Not only is the funnel completely set up for them, but we also include autoresponder integration, squeeze page setup, follow-up emails added and additional traffic tutorials. Genie Software Demo Video. Genie Software